That's a very cute squirrel. Oh, she's running away. Sobrang cute niya. Ito pa yung iba guys, ibang kulay naman. It's a black color. It's black colored squirrel. Nag-iipon na yan sila ng pagkain guys kasi malapit na yung winter. Tapos nililibing nila sa lupa yung pagkain nila para pag winter season na yun, babalikan nila yun doon. Yung iba dun sa garden ko, tinitikman lang yung bell pepper ko at saka kamatis, hindi inuubos, pero okay lang. Ayun siya nagtago sa likod ng punong kahoy. Yun, tumakbo. At yun pa yung isa guys, oh. Yun. It's coming. Yan, dalawa na sila. Yan sila guys, dalawa na sila. Marami pa yan dito guys. Small playground here. Ayan. This is along here. Ayan pa yung isang squirrel guys, oh. Siya nga pala guys, good morning Canada, good evening Philippines, and good afternoon in some other countries. It's an amazing place, and please do subscribe guys to my YouTube channel, and like and share na rin guys, and please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated pa kayo sa susunod kong mga video na i-upload guys. And guys, takot kasi sila guys talaga sa tao, pero pag may dala kang nuts, lalapit yan sila. Next time magdadala ako ng nuts kasi gusto nila ng nuts, eh, yung may balat pa ng ano, yung mani. Gusto nila yun, oh. Dito sila guys, ang dami. Ayun, isa, nandito pa yung isa. Ay, lumapit siya. Wala akong dalang pagkain. Hello. Oh, sorry, wala akong dalang pagkain. Hey, how are you? Hi. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't have a food for you. Next time around, I will bring food for you, okay? Oh, look at him. So cute. Hello. Hey, come over here. Hey, come over here. Oh, another one's coming. They're so cute. Hey. Oh, I will come back here and bring food for you guys. You're so cute. Come here. Yung lumapit sila kasi parehas kami nakaitim. Ayun, tumakbo na kasi may ibang tao. Ay, ito pa yung isa guys. Lumapit talaga sila kasi nakaitim din ako. Hello! Come over here. Tumitindig balahibo ko. Yun lang for now guys. Thank you so much for your subscribing my YouTube channel, and continue to support me guys. Have a great day, have a great evening everyone. To God be all the glory.